Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Bank of Queensland account, also known as BOQ Bank. Now before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for BOQ login. Once you search for it, the first option where it says boq.com.au, click on it. Now that's the official website's URL for Bank of Queensland. It's an Australian bank, that's why it has .au at the end. And at the top you can see the login button, click on it. And over here you want to choose login to internet banking, and it's going to take you to the login page of Banks of Queensland. Over here, scroll a bit down, click on continue. And on the next step, it's going to ask you for your login detail. Like you need to enter your customer access number over here. Where it says user ID, you need to enter the user ID of your account. And where it says password, enter the password of your account and click on login. And you should be able to log in into your Bank of Queensland's online banking account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, and hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. And if you forgot your password, you can always click on this button over here at the top where it says forgot password, recover it as well.